What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today is crazy. Today we are going to the car show thing. This is gonna be super insane because I've already been seeing cars I've never seen before in my life. So this is gonna be interesting. So yeah, we're gonna vlog this whole thing and let's get into it. I saw a car I've never seen before already. That's fun. They have a Murcielago, the OG one. Okay, we are here. Oh boy. Let's enter here.
I quit taking video again. Where are you?
Oh, that's crazy.
There you go.
That's wild. Oh, that's sick.
What kind is this, Julian?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's pretty sweet, whatever it is.
Oh, it's a classic one. It's a lot of people. Sorry about that. It's a Ferrari, I guess, yeah. It's pretty sweet. Alright, here we go.
What kind's that? The red one. What's this? This is sexy. What is it? McLaren.
Ooh, a Lexus LFA, that's wild.
I'm sorry. What's this, Julian? What kind is it? You don't know?
The engine is tuned by Yamaha. About 88. Probably like appearance package.
Julian, it's a left.
Yeah, and you got a Tesla Roadster over here.
Where is this?
No. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Tesla works.
Bro.
It's that one on the way out of town, remember? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. I like that one right there. I want that one. I don't think I'd be able to get out of it, but I like it.
I don't like the phone. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I would have bought it, but I don't like Did you just autograph the cell phone? Probably want to reduce the weight.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ain't no way. Is that what I think it is? Huh, that's crazy. I've never seen that before. Oh. Ooh, that's sweet. That's actually sweet. What? Oh, that's gas. Oh, I've never seen this car ever again.
It's a race car?
Yes.
jet engine when he starts rolling into that. Probably big.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to ask for Speedy Jeff. Speedy Jeff, can you make your way to the stage?
Call for him.
Jeff, can you make your way to the stage, please?
Sorry.
Next guest is coming up shortly.
Pagani, what? That's insane.
We are having our next guest up shortly.
Beautiful day.
Jake Blashcheck, your mother's looking for you. The main stage, Jake Blashcheck. Your mom's looking for you. Monte
like the
Remax
Batmobile.
is in the house. Mr. Remax, such a huge crowd here. The crowd keeps growing and growing.
How many cars have Blackwell?
We're also trying to get a hold of Trixie Nguyen. Trixie Nguyen, your mom is here looking for you on stage. Trixie Nguyen.
Sneak in there if you want.
Oh, it's a
Sneak in there.
No, they're open. Oh, it's gas.
What kind is that blue one right there? Julian? Oops, I'm sorry. Julian, what kind is that?
All right, guys. Police escort is here. Get ready. We want the best ones right now. And we have Jessica.
Oh, it's coming towards us.
I asked you, what did you
Towards us. I think that's good. That's the house. That's the one.
Doesn't matter, it looks cool.
I don't
I actually have no idea. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Fun of us.
No way. Is that a Bugatti? What? It is a Bugatti. What? And you got him free.
Ooh, what's that one?
Oh, I'm getting
Ese sí es original. Ese sí creo que está original.
Yo, loaded.
A ver cómo nos $1,000.
Bugatti. It's like over $1 million.
I think the white one.
And the one with Buzzing doesn't even have an engine. That one has an
Hon, what the frick is that? Sorry. Oh my gosh, no way. A Shiro? Is that the 100? That's gas, bro. What? It's actually gas. No. Wow. Whoa. Is this yours? Whoa, bro. Oh, we put the spoiler up. That's sick.
I love the shirt.
Sick. Oh, that's so cool. They got a Jesco, the 4-seater? They had the Regera, that's all that matters. They had the one that went. That's crazy. Oh, you're good. Yes.
Kind of a lot more people. Good grief.
Just go absolute, Bobby. Go fastest.
Oh yeah, one of these cars was the world's fastest. Yes. We'll talk about it later. 285.
You don't want to rent it with us.
50 или 7. А, вот еще, вот это вот карбоновое, вот это более. Это в «Форсаже» не говорили. Знаешь, у меня единственное в западном полушарии. Он говорит, не, походу еще. Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's sick. That's sick. That's actually crazy. What? They got a CCX over there. It's crazy. I think. It's the same.
Where's the rest of the 124 at?
In Europe somewhere?
Getting built?
Everybody widen out. Take a couple steps back, please. Steps back, please. It's everybody. Take a step back. Back, please.
Oh, that's fire, bro.
That's everybody.
That's fire.
Car coming through, guys.
Back up, please. Back up, please. Back up, please. Please.
Got the Jesco and the CCT at the same time. That's wild.
Oh, the Shadowman
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's sick. What?
Like I'm taking a picture?
Oh, that's actually cool. What? That's the interior right there. That's insane. This is actually gas. What? What? Got carbon fiber too.
Christian. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Christian von Koenigsegg.
This is gas, right? I'm just gonna.
All right, guys, please make some room for Christian von Koenigsegg. Oh, yes. Restaurant Koenig. Whoa. Yes.
The world record holder.
Christian von Koenigsegg in the house. We have.
$277 miles per hour on that car. No way. That's actually insane.
All right, guys. We have our next special guest. You want to make your way up on here, guys. Make your way to the main street.
Awesome Modelo sunglasses here too. Keep them up here.
Nicholas, your mother's looking for you. All right, guys, come on down, make your way. Make your way over here. We have Mr. Zinger here in the house.
Back up.
What?
That's as close as we're gonna get to the air. So for that 20.
SSC, what the heck? Oh, no way. Do they have the Tuntara? They got the Tuntara! Yeah.
Which one you want? This one right here?
This reignite your love of cars?
Maybe. Excuse me. Ain't no way. They got it. I wonder if I can. I think one of their cars went 301.
What kind is this?
I have no clue. I've never seen this ever.
It's a 5-point restraint. Must go fast. Did you see this?
Where's the Regera? No, wait. Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
If you get over there, I'll take your picture.
Oh my gosh.
I would like to.
Oh, that's so good. What the heck is that? Oh, that's the body of it.
The chassis, I mean the frame.
Yes.
So this is what I had in the box version. We put it down the hill.
No way. This is the body?
Well, I can't walk on that. It's bad enough chasing him. Oh, did he? Where are you? Oh, I'm sorry. It took us like over 3 hours.
It's a different one. See, it's the back sticker. It's not the GT. You skewed up the back.
I've never seen this.
Coming up here. You might not be able to see it because there's over 55,000 people here on Broadway.
Over 55,000.
Where's Josh? Where's Josh?
Oh, wow, I saw another one of these before. Woo, no Paulo. This is crazy. I took a picture of his car, him in his car a couple years ago. This thing's super rare. Oh, sorry.
We try to bring everything that the client means and try to bring all the desire that the client wants to transmit in the vehicle.
She got a bright ass green dress on. It's like,
Every time I drink it, it's such a fun.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, a Maserati?
Oh, you walked right in front of that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, this is an off-roading one.
Is it? You like those ones? What are you really watching when you're walking? That was nice.
in essence, it's describing how they built it.
Kuntai.
That's very cool. Okay, come on.
That's crazy.